Pain trains you, not destroys you. Pain is not a punishment. It's a lesson that shows you who you truly are. Number 1, pain shapes you. Every hit shapes you. Every fall teaches you. Every loss purifies your mind. Number 2, the mind ends the pain. Don't suffer twice for what's already over. Physical pain ends. Mental pain stays, only if you feed it. Number 3, accept the pain, learn from it, and turn it into strength. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more videos on modern stoicism, life philosophy, and mental strength.